In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix QuickBooks bank balance versus actual bank balance. If your QuickBooks bank balance doesn't match what you see at the bank, the fastest way to bring them back in line is to run a proper reconciliation. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few tips to keep everything clear and accurate. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and heading to your company's homepage. Make sure you're in the correct company file for the account you want to fix. At the top right of the screen, look for the settings icon. This is your gateway to the tools you need. Click the settings icon to open your menu of options. From the menu, select Reconcile. This is the feature designed to compare what's in QuickBooks with what's on your bank statement, so the totals match and any differences are explained. On the reconciliation setup screen, enter the ending date from your bank statement. Using the exact statement date helps ensure you're looking at the right transactions for the period you want to fix. Next, choose the appropriate date range so the list in QuickBooks aligns with that same statement window. Matching the dates is crucial because even a one-day mismatch can create a confusing difference. When the date looks right, select Start Reconciling. QuickBooks will prepare the reconciliation view for the account you chose. Take a moment here to review what you're seeing and confirm the period reflects the statement you have in front of you. If anything looks off with the dates, it's better to adjust now before moving forward. Once you're done with your review and satisfied that the reconciliation reflects the period you intend to fix, proceed to complete the process. If the numbers line up, you're ready to wrap it up. At the top right, click Finish Now to finalize the reconciliation. This locks in your work for that period so your QuickBooks bank balance and your actual bank balance are in sync for the statement you reconciled. When QuickBooks confirms the process is complete, click Done to exit and return to your books. A few quick tips as you go. Have your bank statement handy so your dates match exactly. Double check that you selected the correct bank account in QuickBooks before you begin, and keep an eye on the period you're reconciling so you don't accidentally overlap months. If a difference still remains after finishing, it usually points to timing issues, missing entries, or duplicates, which you can investigate in your own time. That's it. Your balances should now match for the period you reconciled.